Are you having fun, BB? Thank you, Marisha. Wow, it's a very nice giraffe. I like it so much. Look at me go. Uh-oh, Daddy, I'm falling off. Because I'm way over here. Show Mom what you can do. He's so excited. Oh, how come I put the camera on? You stop rocking on the giraffe. Okay, one more time. One more time, see. Oh. Come on, bum.
What's this, baby? Grab these. Grab the handles. Grab the handlebars.
Yeah. Okay. You're so cute. All right. That's enough silliness. We got some good pictures.